My name is Jake with Fireplace Door Guy. Today I want to give you guys some tips if you have an issue with a smoking fireplace. The first thing you want to check is you want to check your damper. Either you'll have a lever or you'll have some kind of chain in there that you can pull. You want to make sure that that is open before you start your fire, because if not, then all that carbon monoxide and all that smoke is going to come in here and it's not going to vent properly like it's supposed to all the way up your chimney. The next thing you want to make sure you do is make sure you get a chimney sweep every year. The reason why is because they put rods and brushes up there. That way they knock out all the crease deposits and knock out anything that's obstructing the airflow in there. Now if you've done those first two steps and you're still having an issue with the smoking, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up a window. And what that's going to do is it's going to create a nice airflow that's going to draw that smoke up your chimney. Sometimes people, the way that they have their fireplace constructed, it doesn't create the best airflow. So when you open up a window, it creates all that airflow from the inside and it sucks it up like a vacuum. So you want to make sure that you open up a window or two or even a door, and that might help your smoking issue. Now, all those three things that you do don't help, then what you're going to want to do is you may want to put a fireplace door on there. And the reason being is sometimes your fireplace is built too high, so it doesn't create a nice draw. But what happens is when you put a fireplace door on there, it has this lip on there, so it brings down the height of your fireplace, and what that can do is it can create a better draw, and it can suck that smoke all the way up just because it creates that better draw with that lip. Now if you tried all those steps and you still have a smoking issue, what you're going to want to do is put a smoke plate in there. So what we have done, we put a smoke plate in here. It's about 8 inches long, and what that does is it really minimizes the opening of the fireplace. So you're still going to be able to get all your heat out of it, but now your fireplace doesn't have a chance to not draw it up because it's so small. So it's not going to want to go out this way. It's going to want to go out the bigger hole, and that's going to be up your chimney.